Hi, I'm John Berardino, President of Griffin Capital Funding, also known as Griffin Church Loans. We've been in business since 1999, and in that time we've closed over 2,000 church loans for over $2 billion in loans to churches. Everything for churches for the purchase, refinance, renovation, and construction of church-related real estate. Today, I want to chat with you a little bit about church loans and how they work and what you can expect, and some misconceptions that people have around church loans, at least with Griffin Church Loans. So many times churches will call me, or a pastor will call me, and they'll say, well, I went to my bank and they want me to personally guarantee this loan, or they want me to get a bunch of parishioners to guarantee this loan. And people don't want to risk their personal assets or their personal credit. And, it's a nonprofit. I'm a pastor. I don't make a lot of money. Why am I having to guarantee this loan? And with Griffin, we almost never need personal guarantees. So once we analyze the loan, determine that we can do the loan for the church, we will tell you right away whether or not we need a personal guarantee. And almost never do we need one. Another thing is about construction loans. People often think that in order to do a construction loan, that they should do it in order of what they think makes sense, meaning that the church will spend money on having plans drawn up, on hiring a contractor and figuring out who's going to do what, and spending money on third-party reports and all of these things. Another misconception that people have is around construction loans for churches. Pastors and church leaders often think that they need to have everything in order before they come and talk to us about the money. So we'll see churches spend money on third-party reports, on hiring an architect, on having plans drawn up before they know that they'll qualify for the loan. So before you do any of those things, the first thing you want to do is come and talk to us. Don't spend money on third-party reports. Don't do any of that. Because at the end of the day, if you spend money on those things, but you're not able to qualify for the loan that it would take to build that, well, now you've wasted your money and the plans have to be redone anyway. So come to us first. It doesn't cost anything for us to analyze your financial statements, tell you how much you're going to be approved for, and then you have a budget with which to work. All right. So again, I'm the president of Griffin Church Loans, John Berardino, and I invite you to call us. Our consultation is free. We don't charge upfront fees. We will analyze your financial statements. We'll tell you what position you're in. And, we've been doing this for thousands of churches for decades. So we're a great resource, and we would love the opportunity to work with you. Thank you.